Okay, I'm sitting inside the '07 Lexington. Dude, this is fucking an awesome coach. Awesome. Beautiful condition. No leaks. Beautiful woodwork. Remember I told you the whole thing is wood? Look at this shit. This is big money, man. Somebody, this was done at the factory. Look at this floor. And then even this couch has to go right there. But you could keep the couch, you know, but the dinette should be there. Just absolutely stunning. Very, very nice. Let me get up for a second. Beautiful stove. Convection stove, convection oven. Where's the micro? Oh, no, that's a microwave. So there's no oven. So you got, I guess, I don't know, is that an oven? Beautiful black backsplash. Overall, nice, man. Beautiful coat. Look at the wall. Look at that. Look at that woodwork. Dude, this is big money. Nice unit. Hey, look at the bathroom. Even the bathroom was done too. Wow. Look at the backsplash in the bathroom. And a stainless steel refrigerator. Nice bathroom. And the floor looks beautiful. It's almost like a teak. It almost looks like a teak. Wow. All right, that's it.